It is another hot day, and I will be harvesting the chamomile flowers over here. Some are overdue, but we didn't have time last week. Our grandson was with us, and since we don't get him too often, we preferred to just spend some quality time with him. So the garden was not touched for a whole week. The best time to harvest the chamomile flowers is on a hot summer day and preferably midday. So that's now, and I'll be doing it. And I will also be harvesting some of the flowers from the new line. So I harvested a few mullein flowers. There are still a lot to harvest, but the bees are all over there right now, and I don't like to be in the way and maybe get stung, so I'll just continue later when they finally go to bed. Huh? You like it here? She is the neighbor's cat. She would usually run away when I go nearby, but lately she likes to hang around. What's your name? Hmm? You want to be touched? It's a beautiful cat.